Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to install and download Deepseek as an app in your PC or laptop. It is very easy and simple process. Before starting this video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please consider subscribing it to get the latest updates, and by the end of the video, don't forget to hit the like button. So let's start the video. Open the Google Chrome and type www.deepseek.com on it. Choose the first link and open it. Now you have to make an account on it. Look, there are two ways to create an account. First way to make an account, simply click on sign up and make account by providing information. And the second way is simply select login with Google account. Now select your email ID and continue it. Now see, we have logged in the Deepseek. So to install Deepseek in your PC, simply go to three dots, click on three dots, scroll down and click more tools and select create a shortcut. A pop-up will appear, so name it and click on install. Go to the desktop and see Deepseek is installed in our PC. It is a shortcut of Deepseek app. Open it and see it's working. Now you can ask anything from Deepseek. It is more powerful than ChatGPT, and one more interesting thing, it is totally free. This is the simplest way to download and install Deepseek in the Windows or PC or laptop by using Google Chrome. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.